Thanks for coming back and checking out another one of my videos. We've got a challenge locking device, a bastard Yale. Hate Yale Euro cylinders, always seem to struggle with them. But the challenge lock has been built by Ting Tong. He's a lovely chap, he's got his own YouTube channel. I will post a link in the description. And the lock is actually called Tartarus or Tartarus. It's got a mummified key, so that's going to give us no clues whatsoever. Proper wrapped up. So let's see if we can get a bit of success with this. I've been practicing challenge locks this weekend and I've not managed to open one, so yeah, I won't hold my breath, but we'll see.
To do this work, to figure out what did happen to him and who did it. We started constructing about a 6-week pattern of Teresa Hallbach's activities from the cell phone towers. And we started noticing that there was a consistency with her travel and the accuracy of the cell phone towers. So even though there's some debate among cell phone tower experts that it can't be that accurate, her calls are dead on with where her appointments are. I mean, we're seeing an accuracy as she's traveling around. We can see it in the cell phone towers. Why is that important? It's important because it sets up a time frame of when we think she was at Avery's and when she left Avery's. So at 2:24, we know on the cell phone tower that she's around the zippers, but then she heads north. 2:27 to 2:31, she's on the phone with Dawn Plitzka in Auto Trader magazine, and Teresa reported she was on her way to the Averys. And then she's pulling up to the Avery property at 2:31.
You're outside, she's outside, and for $40. And then what happens?
Shut the door. I walked to her house. Put the book on the computer. Came back out. And I was going to walk over to the body. But then the vehicle was gone.
So you walk in the house, you put the magazine on the car, and Bobby's vehicle's gone.
Bobby's vehicle was gone. And then I looked up my road and I seen her. She was home by that road. Jackson on the turn.
Tracy, which signal did you have on the right or left?
The left.
The left.
The straight one towards ISIS. Our theory is Teresa leaves the Avery property and makes a left turn. I believe that Teresa was heading home that afternoon because we found a day planner that she filled in for the 31st. And one thing that it indicated was that she wanted to go to her mother's house before 3 p.m. And so she was on the schedule to be back in Hilbert on or before 3 p.m.
I think we're nearly there. I think this one.
Her route home, what she would have done is take a left on Q and headed south on Q. The last call, the call that she forwards when her phone is still active, is made at 2:41. That call pings off a cell phone tower miles away from the Avery property, the White Law Tower. So she's clearly on her way home when she hits that call forward button at 2:41. I believe the cell phones place her in the vicinity of Cuss Road. Cuss Road leads into the quarry. Could she have had something set up at the quarry to do a shot? Or if someone saw her, they could have just flagged her down to do a hustle shot. Could would something have happened, someone made a pass at her, some reason that she decided to leave. She struck and knocked on the ground and then hit on the head and then ultimately
There
shot.
we go.
Yes.
That was a tough pick.
Yeah, definitely. It could have happened that way. It happened
But
very
still 5 minutes.
quickly.
I'm quite pleased with that.
The body took much longer than the actual murder. On the south side of Cuss Road, before you get on Redon's property, is a wooded area. Remember, that's where the
Let's get out of the voice
ran
first.
over to the suspected burial site. Law enforcement determines that it's not a burial site. But what they fail to think about is because the scent dogs ran over and a cadaver dog alerted on that spot, isn't it possible that Teresa's car with her body was parked in there for a few hours before she's burned? Or is she laid out on the soil and maybe just barely covered up? Not a place anyone would have been looking. No one even knows she's gone. The Cuss Road entrance is isolated. It's the entrance into the Redon side of the quarry, but you can access the main farm side. It's a very desolate place. It is the place where you would kill someone.
Now, time to fight Circlip. I'm not even going to bother taking the key out unless I lock it up again by accident.
Did you get an impression how far off the road it was? Because the dogs just come like a beeline. Do you think it was out in here?
I know that this area was taped off.
Yeah. So maybe not that far back.
Most photographs taken were from the road. So
But from the road.
you
Yeah.
can't see anything.
You can't.
It definitely wouldn't have to be that deep.
Let's try to come in from that angle and then see. So there's kind of a,
Clearing up there.
yeah, there's kind of a clearing.
So we check it out.
Yeah. And go in the middle of it.
Here we go.
See, I thought this possibly the car was pushed back here. Like, if you pulled it back in there. I just don't think. And so we're like, before they even know she's missing, if you got it pulled into here, you never see it. Why don't we go up? Stephen was thinking there was a dumping ground back here where a car could have been pulled in. So I don't know.
I mean,
I think he was talking about the grade dropping off back here. Like you brought it in, say, down that way.
yeah.
Alright, so you can see that everything needed to be picked.
Yeah,
There was a track that ran,
you know,
along
stick
the
that
field
zoomed
all the way
in.
to see the trailer.
right, because the trailer is right over there,
As you
right?
can see, there's threading
See it?
Yeah, maybe
in what looks like
200
1,
yards.
Right.
3,
It was a straight shot. And
5 and possibly 6. So he's done a bit of work to that core there. Let's get these out and see what these pins are like. Nice serrated key pin.
your own. Oh, yeah.
There's a big spool pin there in that one.
Was that the first time you talked to her since you got home Wednesday?
Oh, no wonder this was giving me some problems.
That's what Stephen was saying. He thought it just got,
I know I'm not in focus.
so it's good to have it back.
And we'll do close-ups and we'll put some pictures of these pins on.
I'm sure you're way better than
But they are really nice. We've got some deep serrations on one. We've got a big spool torpedo looking thing, more serrations, another torpedo with a small tip at the end. Got a tapered keeping with serrations and another heavily serrated keeping. I'm assuming there's work done to the Bible on this as well, because it's got grub. I didn't even realise it's got grub screws. So let's start off in one. Heavily serrated driver pin, and although that was a little spring, that was giving some it's pushing out of that quite hard.
every single detail covered. So there's nothing for you to worry about. You just want to be able to dance soon. You're going to need to dance. Okay? All right, well, I'm going to go, but I'll be in touch with you. Yeah. You'll be here today.
Oh, no wonder. I think there was 2 springs in there, that's why. Oh, you sly bastard.
When the truth comes out, people know I didn't do it. That's why I got the good attorney for it, you know.
Oh, pin in pin.
Get to the bottom of this, and he figured the kid was still out there. He could have did it again. Just like my last case. If he was caught, he went to rent another woman. So that time was going to happen.
Got some lovely pins in this one. Right, there we go. Now,
So he's saying that some of that stuff was wood.
no, I don't think there's been any work in there. I can't feel any.
Does that make sense? It's garage.
I don't know. Maybe there is. Ting Tong, you'll have to confirm that for me, mate. I can't actually see. Let's see if I can bring this lamp down. Oh, I can help. No, that lamp's not going to work, I don't think. No. Right, but let's get down and have a look at these pins. So you can see 1, 2 and 3. So you've got some serious serrations on both the key pin and the driver pin. Deep spool with another spool. We've got another heavily serrated key pin and a pin in pin. You can see that there. Then we move over to 4, 5 and 6. You can see we've got another sort of torpedo looking spool pin, and it's got like a graduated top on it. I'm not sure. Let's see if I can get it under there. See that tip on it, that end? Got the T-pin, and you've got another spool pin. You can see this key pin here. It's got like a tapered end with serrations, and again more heavy serrations on that. So yeah, that was a great lock, Ting Tong. Thanks for watching, everyone, and hopefully I'll be back with another challenge lock opening soon.